Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you? I hope that all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am fine too. Welcome you all to NIVS Home School. This is Mahmudur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take an English class for the students of class 5. Our today's topic is answering from instructions. This is from your question number 10. I repeat again, I will discuss on answering from instructions, your question number 10. Okay, let's see the board at first. This is the class for the students of class 5, subject English, term annual 2021, topic answering from instructions, question number 10, lecture number 16 and HW number 10. I repeat again, lecture number 16 and it will be your homework number 10. And your homework will be question number 2, that means I will discuss 2 questions and your question number 2 will be your homework. Teacher Mahmudur Rahman, and this is my phone number. Okay, let's start our discussion. Question number 1, read the instructions about making a glass of cool sharbat. Then answer the questions. There are some instructions, then there are 3 questions. You have to answer all these questions from the instructions. At first I will read out the instructions, then the questions, and I will help you how to answer the questions. Instruction number A, take a glass of cool water. Number B, put 2 spoonfuls of sugar into it. C, put a pinch of salt into it. D, put some lemon juice into it. And final E, stir the mix with a spoon. So these are the instructions for making a glass of cool sharbat. Now the questions. Question number A, what are the ingredients needed to make sharbat? Question number B, when do you need cool sharbat? And number C, how will you make a glass of lemon sharbat? So these are the questions. You have to answer one by one. First 2 will be very short. You will answer A and B within 1 sentence or 2 sentences, and C will be bigger. Number A, what are the ingredients needed to make sharbat? Answer, I need cool water, sugar and lemon to make sharbat. Number B, when do you need cool sharbat? Answer, I need cool sharbat when the weather is very hot. Number C, how will you make a glass of lemon sharbat? So here you will describe the process of making a glass of lemon sharbat following the instructions. Answer, first of all, I will take a glass of cool water. Secondly, I will put 2 spoonfuls of sugar into it and put a pinch of salt. Thirdly, I will put some lemon juice into it and stir the mix with a spoon. So this is the answer for your question number 1, answering from instructions. Let's see another one. This is question number 2. Read the instructions about first aid, then answer the following questions. There are 5 instructions here. Instruction number A, wash the wound using Dettol or Savlon. Number B, use some cold boiled water if Dettol or Savlon is not available. Number C, take a piece of clean cotton. D, spread some antiseptic cream onto it. And E, apply the cotton to the wound. There are 3 questions also here. Question number A, what do you need for first aid? Number B, why should you wash the wound first? And number C, what would you do if your friend cut his hand? So these are the 3 questions and we'll answer them one by one. What do you need for first aid? Answer, I need a first aid box. Number B, why should you wash the wound first? Answer, I should wash the wound first to clean it. And C, what would you do if your friend cut his hand? Answer, at first I would wash the wound using Dettol or Savlon and use some clean cotton. Secondly, I would spread some antiseptic cream on it. And finally, I would apply cream using my cotton to the wound. So my dear students, this is the answer for your question number 2. We have discussed 2 questions answering from the instructions. This is for your item number 10, and you will practice more questions from your model questions. So this question number 2, that means about first aid, this will be your homework. Your homework number 10 will be question number 2. Okay, my dear students, I hope that you have understood today's class very well. For your better understanding, practice more and more, watch the YouTube classes and attend the live classes regularly. And if you find any difficulty or any problem, please contact me. Till then, take care of yourself. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.